Every day, this factory processes 40 tons of cocoa beans from West Africa and South America.
Hand sorting lines. Experienced workers remove broken, flat, and moldy beans at a rate of 200 kilograms per hour.
130 degrees for 40 minutes, the Maillard reaction transforms raw cocoa into the complex flavor profile of chocolate. After roasting, rapid cooling on a perforated tray stops the heat immediately but preserving the delicate flavor combo. The winnower cracks each bean and separates shell from nib using air currents. The lighter shells blow away. The grinding mill crushes nibs under 50 tons of pressure. The heat generated melts the cocoa butter inside.
Cocoa liquor, 54% cocoa butter, 46% cocoa solids. The raw liquid that will become every chocolate product in this factory.
Cocoa butter, melting point exactly 34 degrees, just below body temperature. This is why chocolate melts on your tongue but stays solid in your hand.
The Cadbury recipe bill: cocoa liquor, extra cocoa butter, sugar, and whole milk powder. The exact proportions are a closely guarded trade secret since 8 and 24. The 5-roll refiner, 5 massive steel rollers reduce every particle to below 20 microns.
The Conching Lil Lin's invention from 8 and 7 to 9. 72 hours of continuous kneading at 60 degrees.
72 hours of kneading, volatile acids evaporate. Moisture reduces to below 1%, and cocoa.
Tempering, the most critical step. 3 precise temperatures create beta-5 crystals that give chocolate its snap.
152 degrees Wayne, the temperature at which beta-5 crystals dominate. The chocolate is now glossy, will set with a sharp...
Each mold receives exactly 200 grams of tempered chocolate, distributed across 12 segments by 24 nozzles in under 2 seconds.
The vibration table shakes each mold at 40 Hertz for 30 seconds say. Every trapped air bubble
The cooling tunnel, 30 minutes at 10 degrees. The tempered chocolate crystallizes slowly and evenly, contracting just enough to release cleanly from the mold.
As the chocolate cools, billions of cocoa butter crystals form, each one in the beta-5 structure that produces the sharp snap and smooth mouthfeel.
The clean release tea, a perfectly tempered bar, contracts by 1.5% as it cools, separating from the mold without force. Any sticking means the tempering was wrong.
The vision inspector photographs every bar, checking for bloom, surface cracks, missing corners, and weight.
The wrapper, Cadbury's signature purple and gold foil, sealed at 10 bars per second. Each wrapper
$24 bars per display box, the retail-ready packaging that goes straight to the store shelf, designed to catch the eye in the confectionery aisle.
Twelve display boxes per master case, 288 bars per case, loaded by a robot that handles 5 cases per minute without stopping.
40 cases per pallet frame, 11,550 bars stacked and stretch-wrapped for shipping to distribution centers. Keaton degrees, the warehouse temperature that prevents bloom and melting. Too warm and the cocoa butter migrates to the surface. Too cold and moisture condenses.
A snap test, a perfectly tempered bar breaks cleanly with an audible snap. The cross-section should be uniform dark brown with no air pockets, no gray streaks.
A clean snap at 20 degrees, indicating proper crystallization. A bar that bends instead of snapping was tempered incorrectly.
The bean store holds 2 weeks of production, 80 tons of cocoa beans at 15 degrees and 60% humidity.
Eight lines, 200,000 bars, monitored from one room soup. Tempering temperature accurate to 1/10 of a degree. Viscosity checked every 6 seconds. The truffle line, hollow chocolate shells stamped from tempered chocolate, filled with cream ganache and sealed with a liquid chocolate cap. 15,000 truffles per hour.
Hazelnut praline, roasted at 140 degrees, ground to a paste and blended with tempered chocolate. The finest Italian
Stone grinding fro, the traditional method that releases hazelnut oil slowly, creating a silky paste without overheating. 40 kilograms of
4 varieties from one base. Plain dairy milk, raisins and almonds for fruit and nut, whole hazelnuts, and flowing
fruit and nut fruit. Exactly 8 almonds and 14 raisins per bar, distributed by a vibratory feeder that counts and spaces each piece before the chocolate sets.
The caramel injection drill. 35-degree caramel between 2 layers of chocolate. Too hot and it melts the shell.
The Easter egg line runs 3 months before Easter. Tempered chocolate poured into half-egg molds, spun to coat evenly.
The halves are heated to 34 degrees at the edge, just enough to melt the surface. Pressed together for 2 seconds, the seam becomes invisible.
The chip depositor, 1,200 nozzles dispensing 1 gram drops onto a -5 degree steel belt. 2 million chocolate chips per hour, each one identical.
A scraper blade harvests 2 million chips per hour, each chip tested for size, weight, and shape consistency. They must perform identically in baking.
The hammer mill pulverizes cocoa cake into powder. Particle size below 0.75 microns.
Five tons of cocoa powder per day, bagged for bakeries, food manufacturers, and beverage companies worldwide.
Shift change Maillard, 200,000 bars produced today. The evening team will continue with the truffle and Easter egg lines running through the night.
Calibration every 8 hours. The tempering sensors must be accurate to 1/10 of a degree. A 2-degree.
Clean in place between varieties. Hot water at 60 degrees flushes chocolate from every pipe, pump, and depositor.
The allergen room, all nut-containing products are made in this sealed zone with separate air handling. No nut particle can contaminate the plain chocolate lines.
Mold washing, 65-degree water and ultrasonic agitation clean each mold to a mirror finish. Any chocolate residue means the next bar won't release cleanly.
night shift of Etchnik. Same tempering precision, same quality standards, same 200,000 bars. This factory runs.
Night temperer, adjusting cooling water flow by 2 liters per minute to compensate for ambient temperature changes. A skill that takes years to master.
200 tons of cocoa butter in heated tanks at 40 degrees Den, worth over $1 million, the most valuable ingredient in the factory.
$30 tons of sugar per day, pneumatically conveyed from the silo at 200 kilograms per minute, ground to less than 20 microns before adding to the chocolate mix.
The fountain test, tempered chocolate must flow smoothly at 32 degrees without breaking or pooling. A quick visual confirmation that viscosity and temper are within specification.
200,000, like another day, another 200,000 Cadbury bars. Tomorrow the same, and the day after. 40 million bars per year from this one factory.
Please. From liquid to wrapped bar in 45 minutes, deposited, vibrated, cooled, released, inspected, wrapped, and
The pilot kitchen, where new Cadbury flavors are born. 10-kilogram test batches for committing 10 of ingredients.
Yes, sir. 4 industrial chillers generating 2 megawatts of cooling, feeding every cooling tunnel, every...
Best before month, 12 months from today. The inkjet printer marks each wrapper in 4 milliseconds. Full batch traceability from cocoa bean to retail shelf.
Random checks every 100 boxes right. Wrapper seal integrity, print alignment, and bar weight verified by human hands. The final quality guarantee.
Eight lines, 200,000 bars per day, 40 million per year, from cocoa bean to branded bar, sitting through the...
The enrober, a continuous curtain of tempered chocolate at 32 degrees falling over biscuit centers. Every surface coated in under 2 seconds.
The air knife intake, a precision blast of air that removes excess chocolate and controls coating thickness to within half a millimeter.
Chocolate spread, cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, sugar, and hazelnut paste ground to below 15 microns. Smoother than any homemade version, 50,000 jars per day.
350 grams per jar, filled by piston under 1 second, leaving a smooth, domed surface. The lid...
Hot chocolate blend win, 25%, 25 powder, 40% sugar, 35% milk powder. Mix for 12 minutes to ensure...
Full traceability, Thunvi. Every bar traceable to the exact farm, the exact roasting batch, and the exact...
Three boilers generating 15 tons of steam per hour, powering roasting at 130 degrees, conching at 6th.
The cut test, a perfect roast, shows uniform brown from edge to center. Purple patches mean under-roasted, black edges.
The coating pans, 500 kilograms of roasted almonds tumbling while a fine mist of tempered chocolate builds up layer by layer.
Six compressors delivering 8-bar pressure, powering every depositor nozzle, every wrapper jaw, and every pneumatic conveyor gate in the factory.
break time, the workers eat what they make. Every employee receives a weekly allocation of factory fresh Cadbury chocolate. Quality control with every bite.
From this vantage point, 200,000 bars look like rivers of chocolate flowing through a landscape of stainless steel and polycarbonate.
Years at the Conching, he can tell by the sound when the chocolate is ready. A change in the grinding pitch that no sensor has learned to detect.
As daylight fades, the factory glows from within. 200,000 bars already produced, and the night shift will add 200,000 more.
The night clean coat. Roasting equipment sanitized between bean origins. Ghana beans tonight, Ecuadorian beans tomorrow. No cross-contamination of flavor profiles.
The morning team down. 250 workers, fresh uniforms, clean hands. By 8 a.m., all 8 lines will be running at full speed.
First chocolate of the day mold. The tempering machine takes 20 minutes to reach stable 32 degrees. The first 5 bars are tested before full production starts.
The first bar of the day pro. Snapped, tasted, and approved before the line runs at full speed. If this bar is perfect, the next 200,000 will be too.
Efficiency metrics are lagging behind target.
We must address the bottleneck on the assembly line.
We project a 10% increase if we implement the new protocols this week.
Peak production code. All 8 lines at full speed. 400 bars per minute, molded, cooled, inspected, wrapped, and boxed.
The visitor gallery. 50,000 visitors per year watch from behind glass as cocoa beans become Cadbury bars.
Climate-controlled trucks at 8 degrees. Chocolate cannot exceed 25 degrees during transport or the temper is ruined.
Two shifts, 400,000 bars. From raw cocoa bean to wrapped Cadbury bar. The relentless rhythm of the chocolate factory.
400,000 bars in 24 hours. 146 million bars per year. From one factory to millions of homes.
Evening clean, every floor surface mopped with food-grade sanitizer. In a chocolate factory, a clean floor is as important as a clean machine. Another day fades, but the chocolate never stops flowing. 400,000 bars today. Tomorrow, 400,000 more.
Eight lines, 400,000 bars, 250 workers. Roasting, grinding, conching, tempering.
From cocoa bean to branded bar in 120 hours tade. Sorted, roasted, winnowed, ground,
400,000 bars every 24 hours, 146 million per year.
The incredible Cadbury Chocolate Factory. Thank you for watching.